In front of me is Redmi 14R and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder. Begin by going into Recorder app and using red button at the bottom to start recording. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, click on this left button. To add a bookmark, click on the right one. And to end it and save it on the middle one. Now to play your recording, click on it. To manage it, use all of those options. To rename it, go back, hold it and choose rename to manage its name over here and save it by hitting OK. And to get rid of it, hold it, choose delete in the pop-up and confirm your choice in the second one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!